I will show you 3 different logos, each built with a grid system. Let's start with the first one. Click on Line tool, hold Alt and drag and Ctrl D for duplicate. Select everything, right click, go to group. Select everything, transform and rotate. Rotate it to 90 degree, click on copy. Select on ellipse tool, holding shift, drag the tool. You will get the perfect circle. Select the circle, go to edit and copy the circle. Follow the steps as shown on the screen. Select everything, go to shape builder tool and shape the circle shown on the screen. Even with the same tools, lines and circles, each grid produces a completely different logo. That's the power of grid-based logo design. Now move on to second one. Select the grid, go to shape builder tool and shape the circle as shown on the screen. Now move on to the third one. Select the ellipse tool, holding shift, create a circle, then copy and paste, create 5 circles. Select everything, Alt and drag the circle to create a duplicate. Now click on line tool, holding shift, create a straight line. Follow the steps as shown on the screen. Select everything and go to shape builder tool. Shape the circle as shown on the screen. These 3 logos were created using just 2 tools, the line tool and circles. Which logo works best for you? Comment me. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.